So the last time that we did this whole adventure, I told you about the various projects that I was working on. So far, ta-da, chicken coop. Uh, it rained so much this year that I just got tired of, well, not tired, it rained like every other day for a substantial number of days. And so the chicken coop took a lot longer than I wanted it to. Obviously, the run is not complete, but let's talk through what happened here. So we built the platform down here at the bottom. This is filled with sawdust, not sawdust, but like pine chips and charcoal, and layered with plastic matting on both sides to keep that nice and insulated. LP Smart siding over top of 2x4 framing, conventional 16-inch studs on center, makes up this whole configuration. We've got a handful of rafters with a tarp over top, but I do have over there a substantial amount of aluminum roofing that's going to go across this whole thing, and we're going to extend these rafters by about a foot on either end, so there's a nice hang. So this area will be the run. It'll be open completely underneath. The door will be here to shield it from the wind and any snow that may accumulate. There'll be a little platform about a foot off the ground here to a ramp, and then a long ramp that extends. Oh, excuse me. Well, I add my props and a long ramp to allow the chickens to make their way outside. Yeah. So that's in progress. Now, let's talk about the coop itself. I have a little rain louver here to keep any rain from going inside. We've got a nice ventilated door. This will get sealed up as a full panel in the winter. We've got a super high latch, so my children have to ask for permission to open the door. And and there are chickens in here. Chickens that like people. Excuse me, ladies, let me return you. Thank you. Rooster, can I get a cock-a-doodle-doo? Okay, thank you. So the other thing that we've been working on is the garden. So we have a number of pepper plants here. We have onion. We have garlic. Tomatoes, obviously. These are pickling cucumbers. And the ones over there, they are spaghetti squash. We've got some more squash going here. This will be a small plot of corn, and we've got some peppers growing here. This large section off to the right that's enclosed will be the rest of my varieties of corn. I have 3 other varieties of corn that I'm going to plant this week, and that will give us corn from the middle of September through the end of November. We love our summer corn. Now, you might be asking, Tim, you said that there was a retaining wall, and you said that there was a pool. Well, the problem is, I'm exhausted. No, it's been such a busy year with all of the inclement weather and the various things that have happened. We just haven't gotten here yet. But once I get the corn sown, we're going to start. Anyway, all of that besides, it's been a really, really therapeutic year. Working on these tomatoes and this gardening and taking care of the chickens has been revitalizing. And so we're super excited to say that we're going to be publishing some videos directly about the chicken coop and their builds here soon on Chickens Only. And fortunately for you guys, I'm not going to post any more awkward random noise videos. The content will be about our chickens and how we raise them and take care of them. And I hope to get a couple of those videos launched this month. So I appreciate the patience in waiting for the next build video to come along. Hopefully I will be able to show you how we put this retaining wall together. So from Shoeless Tim Makes, have a great day.